Pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. Pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. So kids, you all might have understood that today your ma'am is going to talk about monsoon season, which is also known as rainy season. Yes, but children, tell me how many seasons are there in a year? I think you all know the answer. There are three main seasons in the year. Which are they? They are winter, then summer, and then monsoon season, which is also called rainy season. So kids, as our monsoon season has arrived, let us talk about what do we see, what do we use, and what do we like to have during this monsoon season.
So let's learn about monsoon season. Okay, children. Children, during monsoon, what do we find? What do we see? We see clouds, dark clouds, and heavy rainfall with strong breeze. And we see everywhere water, water. It becomes watery everywhere. Hannah? And it is a pleasant atmosphere. And kids, we like to make paper boats and play in the rainwater. Hannah? As well as jump in the puddles. We enjoy in the rain. And children, do you know in monsoon season farmers start growing their crops. Monsoon is their favorite season as they start growing crops. And now let's talk about a rainy day. Children, what do we see? We see seven colors rainbow in the sky. We see dark clouds, big dark clouds with thundering and lightning. है ना? Sometimes we get scared of thunder. On hearing the thunder, we get scared and it's lightning. है ना, kids? And then it starts raining, showering. And you all love to play in the rain. We wear our raincoat and go in the rain and we see frogs. And peacock loves to dance in the rain. And everywhere it becomes greenery, greenery, greenery. We can see greenery all over. है ना, kids? Then mushrooms, lovely mushrooms. And you know, children, one more thing. We can find fireflies. We call them jugnus. They are also found in monsoon season. Jugnus. And now let's see what do we use during rainy season. Children, we use umbrellas. Different colorful umbrellas. है ना? And we love to go in the rain with umbrella. And you all must be having different colorful umbrellas. You are also bring to school. है ना, kids? And yes, many of you are having raincoat. Wonderful colorful raincoat. We wear the raincoat and go out to play with our friends. है ना? And enjoy the rain. Yes, we use gumboots and rainy shoes to protect our legs. Now, let's go through what do we like to have. We like to have hot tea. Yes, hot tea. And hot yummy bhajiyas, pakoras. है ना? We all enjoy pakoras. And what is this? Maize corn. Oh, yummy. We all love to have maize corns in monsoon season. है ना? And children have boiled maize corns. Okay? And yes, hot tea or coffee is our favorite. But children, I think you should have hot milk. And we all enjoy having hot soup in this season. Now children, we will be drawing pictures of monsoon season. है ना? First is a rainy day. Here comes we see. Children, what do we see in rainy season? We will be drawing here. Come on, let's draw. That's dark clouds. Even here, big dark clouds. We see clouds, so we will be drawing clouds. And then water droplets. Both the sides we will be drawing some water droplets and lightning, zigzag. See, zigzag is lightning. Then here again, water droplets. What else we see? We see frogs, then stones, mushrooms. So let's draw stone first. Here upper curve, again upper curve this side. Then slanting line, oval and a big curve. Some dots. Again slanting line, oval and some dots. Here is a mushroom. And here we will be drawing a frog. Slipping line, U curve, a curve, curve both the sides, zigzag, then curve, again a curve, up down, again a curve, up down. Draw 2 eyes and a cute smiley. Some patches, your frog is ready. Then we will be drawing a puddle. See, here is a puddles and draw dash for water. Yes, you can draw some grass by using your crayons, dark green and light green color crayons, by using V curve and standing line, and also put some dots with your red color. So here the picture is ready, and now we will be drawing things we use. Things we use. What do we use? We use raincoat and umbrella. So draw an oval, slanting line, standing line, slanting line. Then again a standing line, slanting line, small slipping line, standing line. Both the sides standing, slipping, standing, and a big standing line, and add some dots. Make a small pocket and a curve. Our raincoat is ready. Then a big curve, small curve, again some small curves, slanting line and a standing line. Make a handle of an umbrella with a hook, and umbrella is ready. And then a cap. And here we will be drawing rainy shoes. Upper curve, both the side curves and joined with curve. Here we are having rainy sandals. See again, upper curve, both the side curves, joined with curves, curve, and 2 slanting line both the side. The sandals are ready. And now things we like to have. What do we like to have? Yes, we like to have hot tea or coffee. So draw a mug with some steam, and then we'll draw dish and add some circles to make some pakoras. See, these are hot pakoras. And then we also like to have maize corn. So U curve, slanting line, again go up down, then a big upper curve, and then some up down, 2 standing lines, and small too many circles to make maize corn. So the corn is ready.
So children, after learning in detail about our monsoon season, enjoy your season by having hot maize corn, drinking hot tea or coffee. But kids, I think you should have haldiwala milk. Okay? And also enjoy bhajiyas, pakoras. Okay? But don't forget to revise your worksheets as well as drawing its pictures. Okay children? So stay home, stay safe. Bye and see you soon.